Who am I here with today? Michaela Spencer. I feel good. It's been a long 4 years, but it was nothing crazy. It was just, I enjoyed my time here. Well, I hope to be still in college or graduating college so I can go to be a radiologic technician and go into the medical field and then get my bachelor's degree from there. Who am I here with today?
Kamori. I feel like, it's pretty calm, pretty chill, Besides this year, school's actually kind of fun. But yeah. Four years after high school, I could have my own business. Could still be playing football. I don't know, to be honest, but it's either one of those two, football or having a business.
Who am I here with today?
It's Norman. From my freshman year to senior year it was kind of crazy. A lot happened in between all those years. Going as a freshman, you just go into a new environment, seeing new people and stuff like that. It was definitely something different for me, but it was fun while it lasted. And then going into the senior year, for me, going to a new school is kind of like how I was going into freshman year, because it was me, new people, new community, and all that. But ended up meeting a lot of great people very early and stuff, and yeah, I'm loving it here. I'm just trying to enjoy this last 5 months. What I plan on doing once it's 4 years in the future is hopefully graduating college, getting my bachelor's degree, and hopefully becoming a sports agent.
Who am I here with today?
Troy. It feels good. I learned a lot of lessons from the previous seniors who were here. Returning back here to Tacoma, become an athletic director. I already do a lot of work with many athletic directors in our district and many other school districts in the region. So just taking note from what they do inspired me to become one. And yeah.
Who am I here with today?
Anthony. I feel like I've definitely matured a lot and made some great friends from the football team, and yeah. 4 years after, hopefully, I'll still be playing football, but if not, I'll be taking pictures and doing videos, photography.
Who am I here with today?
Come on. I feel good. I feel like I made a lot of growth for myself. Personally, I made some friends for life, and it helped me figure out what I want to do in the future. And yeah, that's about it.
1, 2, 3.
Hopefully, I want to be a chef. Maybe open up my own business or work in a big restaurant. Or when I'm in culinary school, I want to get my real estate license. So hopefully I'll do that on the side too. And yeah, that's about it.
Who am I here with today?
Gomez. I mean, it's bittersweet. It's kind of crazy how fast it went by. I didn't expect it. I mean, a lot of people would tell me that it's gonna be like faster than you think it is, and I guess they're right. I just wish it lasted longer. Four years after high school, I'm hoping to have like a stable job, like my own place, hopefully, and just like be living an easy life.